This 2026 Lamar DM 60 inches by 10 feet 18 inches weld-on sides dump trail base is a dump trailer RV. It is located in Canterbury, Connecticut, 06331 and is offered for sale by Souza Wholesale Trailers. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Lamar. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Lamar DM 60 inches by 10 feet 18 inches weld-on sides dump trail base is 2,480 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.